I was just walking on these flooded trails. All these down trees, like these used to be right here. Like they moved. They're all fallen. They're up there doing stuff. I don't know exactly what's up there, but there's trees falling everywhere. It's all from the flood. Oh my gosh. That is sticky mud. This tree is like bended. You can see the roots from it. Just a bunch more fallen trees. That looks pretty big, whatever that is. Bunch of more down trees. There's ugly mud I'm stepping in. What the heck? Oh my gosh. Hold this for a moment. Just aim at a stick.
Here, let me show you something. Here.
What?
That is what it looks like under a tree. Those are all roots.
That is huge.
I know. It's all like,
Whoa, what's ahead? Oh, look at this. This one's fallen too. You're walking right under it. There's all these other fallen trees. My gosh. What else? More mud.
you're able to walk on this path for.
Yeah, it's like all grown in. Dang. Look at that, it's like all grown in. Hey, there's like a crane over there. I don't know if you can see it now. Really? My gosh.